Hi friends, in this video we are going to see the unboxing of Logitech M235 Wireless mouse. The wireless mouse comes in this package. It's a transparent. Coming to the back side, the price mentioned over here is $995, but you can get it for approximately $700 to $800 on Amazon or Flipkart. I will give the link in the description box. So without wasting any time, let's remove the mouse from the cover. We need to peel from the back side like this. Inside we will get a warranty information. On the back side you can see some of the features: 10-meter reliable wireless range, advanced optical tracking, 12-month battery life. And here is the mouse. The previous one which I have at home is green color. Here you can see that the logo is faded out, but still it is working fine. So let's open the back cover. Inside the back cover we have the USB receiver, or you can say the wireless receiver, which we need to connect to our laptops or desktops in the USB port. We get the battery with the Logitech wireless mouse. It is a Duracell battery which lasts approximately 12 months. So just insert this, and the back of the Logitech M235 looks like this, and here is the on off button. When you are not using your mouse for a long time, you can simply set it off, or you can simply set it on. It is the tracker. Let's open the back cover again. Here you can see the light. I'm going to connect this USB receiver to my desktop. Here you can see that I am using my new wireless mouse. It is working perfectly. So that's it guys. For those who are looking to buy a wireless mouse under 800, you can definitely look at this wireless mouse from Logitech. It is very good. Since I am using it for a long time, I can definitely recommend this wireless mouse. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.